like that. So vodka has been there for since 2017.
One of them.
It's in them.
Okay.
It's a table so.
Okay.
2017.
Okay.
Yebi esuda.
Wanumida.
Odema Adam Fo.
Okay.
Intinsa no bi esu a. Se ne power na ewo no. Power na ewo no. Se ekofom. Into 2017 to now.
To 2025.
How many years now?
That's close to 8 years.
Into insano only expiring date. Any expiring date. Minia. Any expiring date.
Insano was on that check.
So 7-8 years. Expire. Power na woman enko
eti saa na awokasa obi esuma ne namfofo no bi no o film na mo call them ho na ensan because the ura ne dem
me man call them. I was not there. They pick him to the hospital. They said it. But I know my boss.
Who said it?
Those they are talking on air. So no manza yes. They said it.
But say catch you come here kra
yakoto ukoto nsano wo dem you don't know how na wahye ne niema wone dem. What I say? And obia no mansa odo be ku ne ho obe use glass.
Akra
so ku ho na we use glass one on kakaka.
Yeah. One step.
Wako party. Yes, but ensano any but glass can.
Okay, so you are confirming for us na ensano esi ho glass is in here.
Picture I saw.
Okay, nia wo hu ye no.
Yes.
Chese ensani su a ye hwe bi wo egu glass ma ya no.
So ensani nim glass na pie.
Glass na pie.
Yes. So we will be like sometimes
so, could it be say what no me na wa face na wa bro
Kedi my boss doesn't drink again no. Like Guinness now me say on number one on number beer.
But how come say glass this you are and some
that is up to God.
You and I were not there.
Abusia na watch a me awie and you call your brother penny make sure that kedi the 1 week be busumi a retreat and na wodane edito na that kedi eto and some do na and na akoso media no so e dia fa ne wo no ho wo ma e kire se wo no na je ne nkwade free ne nsam wo ma e kire se eye woni da de lumba beef bi o mo wonti and nam sa kwan ne so amana da kedi adane de ato wo mo so e kire se abra asam ne kura siye no wo mo kopie mu oni dem wo na note bi wo wa ono na akira wo kire se ono and na agye ne nkwade free ne nsam ti mani wo na wo nu obia emfa nshi wo bi nanso empenifo se efu wo we ya na edifo wontimi nsan fura samando ma emeka bi mfa ma no na seme no kasa de prepare ne manager ababontin abekasa ewo Accra FM ya wo kyese sansam na etwebu ewo media no sunyina no nokura ba kokura ni no no de wo susu passe ewo na dada kedi wo ye no eyi wo bi ensa ene chase wan ena manager yi ehwese ne nsa ehwe dada kedi wo no asesanse mi munchemu ena mede baba so mo amesere wo se we mi subscribe no so de amame too much gh ena oni so a wo hwe ya kai na fa be one kan se be na upload ni to mpe one first person ya wo sa ebiri kan akabi ebusuya se e body era ensem no mu a ena be busumi ne beto monte so ma Ghana fo enyina ne obeti o ne obeti ena dada kedi zana wo nyina no ho fe wodane de to ya ankwa ya sempa amfa magana yenyina yere hu yie pa na nsem beto monten so na ne aka ne yese de yeti wo ya so dodo na Ghana fo eba abonten ebe kan ebi de hye ewu beef bi a ekoso ewo wono ene da de lumba entem ebi se wo ba bi hunti dada kedi adane ato sem bebre na wo mo kan ka kire kwa me apia eba ebe kan de kra de audio bi ni ade ebe to monten ma no kra dress na note bi kra ewo dada kedi dem a akwakodi apolice fo akache ensem no mu nchemu efi note mba ne so mo kire se dada kedi na kasa ne tro se wo ya wo wi ono a ena eku no ho na ye obi a ena je ne nkwa edi free ne nsem a vodka ho nsem nyina ebe pie odi wood na se me no e kasa de Accra FM ena ne manager ekwa grantee interview wo ho ena wo kire se sa vodka ya abeto montin say eno na Dada Kedi nko a enum full bottle enti ase fa ne broso a na ne home tinti wentimi anye ne ho bia so ne wa sa bre na wo bebo nti abra mpedefo ana se nkofo ekokoduru ho na ase aye too late no wo kyerese no kura bia ni sansem no fi se vodka no kura po be 2017 na vodka no e ba dem ho as vodka no any expiring date ana na so bi so ya na adwene se obenom nsa de ekunu a nipa ne ni adaje a wo pa kofa table e de abesi ho de glass aka ho na wase pe de kaka da bia ne na ewo no star obe no pese wo no enti manager no e kyerese sansem na yekoso no nyina no kura bia ni ye wontu no de wo susu pa se eyi obi nsa na chase fi se sa note no kura wo mo e ka se Dada Kedi na tro no se ne papa na onim no no ono won pa kyro nti si dan no timi tro sa note no e de to ho sei na manager no de ensam no etu dwa e wo Accra FM FI
like that. So vodka na more cano has been there for since 2017.
Sa ensam wone dem
it's in them.
Okay,
it's a table so
okay
2017.
Okay,
ye bi suda
fanu bi da
ode ma adam fo.
Okay,
nti nsa no bi so a se ne power na ewo mu no se ekofom nti 2017 to now
how many 2025
years? How many years now?
That's close to 8 years.
Nti nsa no only expiring date nsa any expiring date minia nsa any expiring date
nsa no won so on say check
so 7-8 years expire power na woman enko
eti saa nsa na wo kasa obi esoma ne namfofo no bi no o film na mo call dem ho no na ensa because of the ura ne dem ho
me man call dem. I was not there. They pick him to the hospital. They said it, but I know my boss.
Who said it?
Those they are talking on air. So no man say they said it.
But say catch you come here cry.
Ukoto nsano wo dem you don't know how na wahye ne niema wo ne dem. What I say? And obia no mansa odo be kunu ho obe use glass.
Accra
we say kunu ho na we use glass one on kakaka.
Yeah. One say
wako party. Yes, but ensano any but glass can.
Okay, so you are confirming for us say na ensano esi ho glass is in here.
The picture I saw.
Okay, nya hu ye no.
Yes.
Chese ensani su a ye hwe bi wo egu glass ma ya no.
So ensani ni glass na pie.
Glass na pie.
Yes. So we will be like sometimes
could it be say one no na wa face na wa bro
Kedi my boss doesn't drink again no. Like Guinness now me say one beer.
But how come say glass this you are and some
that is up to God.
You and I were not there.
Yes,
I see.
Up to God.
What is say I'm okay baby
signature Oja note. My boss doesn't write to
Oja note.
Almost say Oja note.
But you are the manager. After so win one rather unko demo.
It's a police station.
Okay.
The house is locked.
It's one more investigation.
Yes. And my boss.
No, to now I'm so Jan and then also.
I say I kill myself but nobody kills me.
I kill myself, nobody killed me.
My boss doesn't write.
Only matro.
But Kedi doesn't write.
So only matro.
Oh no, I know. See, obi a otro ne nyum no. Every time they are familiar with pen and paper. Yeah, Kedi does not write his songs.
Do you know his handwriting?
Oh, I know.
What do we know? Note?
I saw it on somebody's phone.
Okay.
And I shake my head.
Say no on Metroid.
Omo ka say we just note na Benam say it's a lie. My boss does not write.
Eti what do you think say? E dey na bebe nti e be ma amanfo e ko ho no mo.
Papa we was no.
Do you think there is a foul play?
Papa we was no. He will say it. This man, look, I'm speaking in pain, in heartbreak. Na me dey kasa. everybody who says something which only is up to God.
What's the bigger question?
No, I don't want to follow anybody again.
Because you so strong words. I saw it yesterday. I also say, Sabi fachame. Dada kidi unkwasi ya wuntine yi on konkwasi yi.
It's up to him. It's up to him. Look, but let me tell you something. When my boss was alive, me kofo bebre woni hu.
Accra FM.
When my boss was alive, me kofo bebre woni hu.
Na man for shedam.
Enya fi no we wu a, obetiti nsem nkofo ano. I don't take that things.
Okay. I see.
He's somebody who penasama obebe, who penasama mbe.
Okay.
And my boss doesn't have grudge with anyone. He loves people. He give pay. I didn't nkofo nka say Dada Kedi ayo se ne misika, ayo ma misika. Oh yeah, have you heard some before? What to say Kedi to be rent a manager? But he do.
I see.
Oh yes, I did.
I see.
So if right now Ghana is talking about say Kedi was broker because he pay people's school fees, he pay people's rent.
I see.
Or dream nkofo won say on to be honest with you, not to say oh yeah, my boss in make us I send the money.
Fawima we send you
yes. My boss no on him on your familiar with Momo near adio. Nti bi aba me phone so. From away, from away. And I asked him, nti boss me for when ya from omo.
My family am focus on nyame adoma watching me nim say na mo ye vigil.
Yeah.
And also what am to say.
Yeah, and 5 p.m.
Okay.
You share Unity oil.
Okay, Achimota. I see.
Near they started for Abeka Junction.
Okay.
You be your PCF minimum.
I see.
Yeah, ship house.
Okay.
Yeah, started at least by 6:30 there. Now you see.
Okay.
With a candle light.
Okay.
With his T-shirt and other things.
T-shirt ni na show.
Made by me.
Okay. What now?
Yeah, man, me, Madi. And from that time we even antia atututunyum. Even in Nimbi.
Okay.
To Abeka Junction, ship house one. Then
selected people.
No, everybody is invited.
Okay. You are joining. You are a fan of Dada Kedi.
Everybody.
Okay.
Everybody.
Okay.
Is invited.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. What's now? Now what you know? Cause saying he funny no ne all the information.
Now what you know? China by 9 a.m. Na ebusuya esi omo pono.
Okay.
Edi omo ebusuya sambo ne si ho.
Okay.
The band is started. Adofo nyina eba. And it's not like strictly by invite. No.
Yeah. I see.
I
see.
By 9 na obia ho.
And yanyo to for
be shianyo to for bebre.
I see.
Me say Accra FM. Whole of the building of Accra FM.
Sure, we'll be there. We'll be there.
Because me say we DJ no peke de nyum
DJ na na dan for pa no.
Say ya tap ya baha.
Yeah, baha. Yeah, sure.
Because say ya baha no cramponi net na down.
Yeah. Because I remember that the Kedi film Accra FM nkomo aye ni di bebre trende enom ne ade nti ye ne mo a etwaka pa so we be there to support anyone here no
East Legon Executive Clubhouse.
Okay.
East Legon Executive Clubhouse.
Okay.
Maybe aya despite mo ye omo programs na there no. Yes,
I see.
Car park da ho.
Okay.
Uba where you park your cars and everything. Yeah.
Dress code no
black.
Okay.
Black. Oh, black and red cry. It goes. Black. Ti nyina yamra na mo support ebusua no ene mba no.
All right.
na yɛntumi hu ɛda a yɛde bɛyɛ ɛyie no
okay
na yɛn prepare
right
for dada ne ɛyie no and aba
sure
whether I believe it or not
I see
yeah but mesrɛ sɛ mebɔ so kɔ yɛnka ne ho asɛmpa
nti abusuan nsɛm ni akwa koti aba na we yes Ghana police sɛ sɛne nsɛm no ɛkeka kɔ ne kamea yɛ sɛ ani ɛyɛ ada ne nokura bi ɛwɔ baabi a yɛntimi ɛnhu nokura nti no ɛba ne sɛ deɛ na wɔn a yɛde yɛni ɛkyerɛ wɔn ɛyɛ Ghana Police Service wɔn akache efi sɛ deɛ abrante yi ɛka kyerɛ sɛ wɔsusu sɛ obi ɛna ɛda da kedi bɔne bi na wɔpɛ bibi ɛde abrambram so sɛ kɔba ne saa deɛ a ɛna na vodka kora wɔn yɛ bottle no fingerprint bɛwɔ ho akonnwa wɔtena mu table a wɔtena so pen a wɔfa de tro paper ne nyinaa no ɛwɔ sɛ investigation pa ɛkɔ so na nhwehwɛmu fan yɛtumi hwehwɛmu esiase na nokura bi a ɛwɔ mu no yɛtumi ɛde aba bɛsom Ghana fo sɛ ɛbɛyɛ na sɛ ɛyɛ nam obi nsa so ɛna dada kedi timi de hwɛ ne nkwa yaya sɛ di a nipa koro no ɛmfa ne ho anyway ɛyɛ nsɛm yɛ a ɛba na wɔtwe awieyɛ ɛna mede aba bɛsom mɛsrɛ wo sɛ wobɛgya wo comment ɛwɔ comment section hɔ ɛde ama me na afei wɔmia subscribe button no so ɛyɛ too much gh ɛyɛ akai sɛ wode bɛ wɔne bɛka ho sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ na upload ne to mu apɛ wɔne first person yɛ a wɔfo no bɛbɔ wo nkaeɛ no wɔatumi abɔ so ho sɛnea nsɛm no ne nyinaa ɛsitie all the media platforms wokɔ hɔ a ɛyɛ too much gh o subscribe na wa like na wa share na wo nua bi nso anya bi ahwɛ dark gold ɛna megye so yɛbɛsɛn hyia
Allah odofo ede ne wo hawo ede ne wo dadwen yare be na aye kwankwa a wodi chinchinchinchin a wonya no aduro ene na me kanfo Raboni Spiritual Research and Divine Medical Laboratory ede ama eye Prophet Dr. Abednego ene da no
a wise man will hear and will increase knowledge, but the fools despise counsel.
Prophet Dr. Abednego ye odifo a eweye mremu awurade eyi no ama wiase se sunsum yare bia aye okwanko Dr. Edikre wo ene na me kanfo Prophet Dr. Abednego Invisible Teaching Hospital powered by Castoplanto Technology Kai Prophet Dr. Abednego enye pray for me inti hwehwe Prophet Dr. Abednego akiri kwan wo insanwam ado akiri Oreku Liberty House adase Fred Dr. Prophet Abednego 020-859-9576 na say 027-8977-215 intro do for Kai se wo twiri bibi wo so na semba na bibi kram